Good morning, students. Welcome you all for online learning session. Today we are going to do your maths lesson number 5, decimal fractions, standard 6th. Students, we have known about the fractions. What is fractions? 2 upon 3, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 9, 0 upon 9, minus 5 upon 7. These are the what? Fractions, which having numerator and denominator. Now we will learn about the decimal fraction. So in decimal fraction, we will do addition and subtraction. What is decimal fraction? You all know decimal means what? Point, right? For example, see here 4.50. It means what? This point is what? Decimal point 4.50. It means 4 rupees 50 paise. Correct? So now let's move on to the practice set 14. See, in the table below, write the place value of each of the digits in the number 378.025. How will we read? See, this is the what? Decimal point. And after this, what we know? Ones, tens, hundred. And these are the what? Tenths, hundredths, thousands. See in this table, it has given. These numbers are given in this table according to their place. Here is what? 3. 3 is at which place? 100 place. See, 100 place, there is what? 3. This digit is at 100 place. Then 7. See this one? 378. 7 is at which place? Tens place. So here it has written in tens place. This digit has written in tens place. Then 8. 78. 8 is at which place? Unit place. Then after point, how will we read these numbers? So it is called what? After point. On the right hand side, first number is called tens. See the difference. This is tens. Okay. And after point, first number, it is known as tenths. On the right hand side, tenths. Then hundredths, thousands. Okay, th is there. See, tens, tenths, hundredths, then thousands, ths. So 0 is at which place? Because it is after point, it is called tenths. So 0. This digit is at which place? Tenths. First understand this one. Then 2 is at which place? Hundredths. And 5 is at which place? Thousands. Okay. See, here is the what? Places which is given at the top. 100, tens, units. Units what? 1. Tens means what? 1 upon 10. This 10 is what? Only 10. But tenths in TH's form is it is what? 1 upon 10. 100 is what? Only 100. But hundredths means what? 1 upon 100. Thousand like what? 1 upon 1000. Is that clear to you all? So now what is the place value of each digit in the decimal number? So 3. What you will do? See, I am showing you is the very easiest form. What you will do? Multiply these two numbers. Okay, 100 multiply by 3. When you multiply 100 multiply by 3, what you will get? 300, right? 10 multiply by what? 7. 10 sevens are 70. This is the place value of this digit. This one. 3780. Now we are finding this value. So what is the place value of 3? 300. Just what you will do? Multiply this one. आपको डिजिट को प्लेस से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. देन टेंस 7 multiply by 10, 70. 8 multiply by 1, 8. Then here, see here, 1 upon 10 multiply by what? 0. Now I am showing you this one also. This one multiply by this one. Same thing you have to do in this way. 1 upon 10 multiply by 0. Then 0 ones are 0. Then upon 10. 0 कोई भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई हो या 0 डिवाइड हो, it will be 0 only. Then see this one, 1 upon 100 multiply by 2. Then you will get this place value. So when you multiply by 2, so 2 ones are 2 upon 100. Then see, in the denominator there is 2 0 and you have to what? Solve this one. So how to do? Very simple. When you see in the denominator there is 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So what you have to do? You have to put the point in the numerator, then remove this 0. How will we do? See, 2 zeros are there and here is only one digit. So first we will write that one 2. For removing these 2 zeros, we need 2 numbers in the numerator. But here is only one number is there. So what we will do? We will add 1 0 over here. Okay? नीचे 2 0 हटाने के लिए हमको ऊपर 2 नंबर चाहिए. अगर आपके पास 2 नंबर नहीं है, so what you will do? You should add 1 0. आपको क्या करना चाहिए? एक 0 वहाँ पर लगाना है. Then after that point should be there. Okay? Then 2 0. 2 नंबर हो गए. ये 2 0 को हटाए तो ऊपर 2 नंबर हो गए. Then after that you have to add 0. This will be the answer of this one. 0.02. When you divide this number, so again you will get the same one. See this one. 5 upon 1000. There are 3 zeros in the denominator and we have to remove this 0 and by adding the decimal point in the numerator. How will we do this? First we have only one number. One number is there and we need 2 more numbers because here there are 3 zeros. So one number is 5. Add 2 more zeros, then you can get the 3 numbers. After that put the decimal point, then 0. It means 0.005. Clear? Now solve. See, 905.5 plus 27.197. How will we do this? See here. Practice set 14. I am doing the second question number 2 in my notebook. 905.5 plus 27.197. See, first we will write this number 905.5. Okay, then see this number. जहाँ पर भी डेसिमल पॉइंट है आपको एक्यूरेट उसी के नीचे पॉइंट लगाना है. सी, हियर इज द डेसिमल पॉइंट, सो वी शुड व्हाट? राइट एक्यूरेटली. Then after point on the left side there is 7 and 2. Write in proper way. 7 and 2. Then here on the right hand side there are 3 digits and here there is only 1 digit. So write it in a proper way. 197. It means इसके ऊपर कोई नंबर नहीं है. So what we will do? We can write the 0 over here. आप 0 लिख सकते हो because after point there is no value of 0. Now what to do? Plus addition. 0 plus 7, 7. 0 plus 9 मतलब 0 में 9 प्लस होगा. इसका मतलब वही का वही नंबर रहेगा. 9 में 0 प्लस हुआ यानी कुछ भी प्लस नहीं हुआ. सो 9. 5 plus 1, 6. then decimal point should be as it is. 5 plus 7, 12, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 0, 2, then 1, 3, then 9 as it is. If you want, you can add here also. You can write here also 0 instead of blank space. Okay? This will be the answer. See the second one. What? 39 plus 700.65. First write this number, or you can write this number. Both the number you can write first in addition. 39. See, here is the number in decimal form, but here is only a number 39. So first we will write the what? See what to do. Just now I told you, after point there is no value of 0. That means we can what? Put the decimal point after 39 and we can write, or we can add the 0 over here, 39.00, because here after point there is 2 digits. It means we need after point 2 numbers. So कोई नंबर नहीं लगा सकते आप, बट आपको यहाँ पे 0 ऐड कर सकते. सो पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट लिख दो. ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड विच आर द नंबर? 65. राइट इन प्रॉपर वे. Then on the left hand side there is what? 0, 0, 7. Add this number. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 6, 6. Point, then point. 9, what? 9. 3 plus 0, 3. 7 will be as it is. So number is what? 739.65. If you write the numbers in a proper place, so your answer will not be wrong. Remember it. अगर आप numbers को proper manner में लिखते हो, proper उसके places के हिसाब से लिखते हो, तो आपका आंसर कभी भी गलत नहीं होगा. मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं? 700.65 लिखते हैं, देन 3965 के नीचे ही लिखते हैं. सो दैट विल बी रॉन्ग. ओके, फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड दिस, which we have learned what is the place of this digits when decimal form is there. Understood? And see the third one. What? 40 plus 27.7 plus 2.451. First write what? 40. Okay, 40. Then 27, what we will do? 27.7. 2.451. 2 is what? Unit place. So unit place के नीचे ही आपको unit place लिखना है. Then 0.451. अब जहाँ पे आपको blank space दिख रहा है, so you can add 0. नहीं भी ऐड करोगे तो भी चलेगा, बट प्रॉपरली आपको लिखना है. इससे आप क्या कर सकते हो? अच्छे से एडिशन कर पाओगे. ओके, ये कंपलसरी नहीं. अगर आप वैसे भी डायरेक्ट कर सकते हो तो यू कैन डू. 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Then 5, 7 plus 4, 11. 1 carry, point. Don't forget to put this point. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. Then 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7. This will be your answer. Now question number 2, subtract. Sorry, question number 3 is what? Subtract. First one is what? 85.96 minus 2.345. See, 85.96 minus 2.345. What we will do? First we see the which is the bigger number. Obviously this one. So 85.96. and here is what 2. यहाँ पे यूनिट प्लेस पे कौन सा नंबर है 5, यहाँ पे यूनिट प्लेस पे क्या है 2. दैट मीन्स हमको उसी के नीचे लिखना है 0.345. राइट इट एज अ व्हाट एट प्रॉपर प्लेस. नाउ सब्ट्रैक्ट इट. Here no number is given, that means we have to write the 0 over here. Now subtract it. 0 minus 5 minus होगा क्या? No. So we will borrow it from here. It becomes 5 and it becomes 10. So 10 minus 5, 5. 5 minus 4, 1. 9 minus 3, 6. 0.5 minus 2, 3. 8 will be as it is because here we can write the 0. 8 minus 0, 8. 8 में से 0 गया, that means कुछ भी नहीं गया. So 8. Answer will be what? 83.615. Second one. 632.24 minus 97.45. Write down the number first. 632.24. Then point. Here is what? 45. And here is what? 79 minus. 4 minus 5. It will not cut. So we will borrow it from here. It becomes 1 and it becomes 14. 14 minus 5, 9. 1 minus 4, it will not subtract. So we will borrow it from here. It becomes 1, then it becomes 11. 11 minus 4, 7. Then point. 1 minus 7, then we will borrow it from here. Then 11 minus 7, 4. 2 minus 9, it will not subtract. We will borrow it from here and it becomes 12. 12 minus 9, 3. Then 5, we will write as it is. Is that clear to you all? I think third one you can do. I hope you all can do. Now I am going to solve question number 4. Say this one. Word problem is there. Avinash travelled 42 kilometer 365 meter by bus, 12 kilometer 460 meter by car and walked 640 meter. How many kilometers did he travel altogether? Write your answer in decimal fractions. What is in that question? अविनाश ने जो है वो 42 किलोमीटर 365 मीटर जो है वो बस से किया और कार से उतने 12 किलोमीटर और 460 मीटर कार से ट्रैवल किया और वॉक चल के जो है वो 640 मीटर गया. सो हमको टोटल उसने कितना ट्रैवल किया, कितना किलोमीटर ट्रैवल किया, वो हमको किस फॉर्म में बताना है? डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन में. See, first you have to write in this form 42 kilometer 365 meter by bus. It means what? How we will write in decimal form? 42 kilometer and 365 meter. That means 0.365. When we are talking about the kilometer, kilograms, kilometer, meter, grams. So after points there will be 3 digits should be there. Okay, 3 digits should be after point. 42.365 किलोमीटर यूनिट आपको डालना ही डालना है. 12 किलोमीटर 460 मीटर बाय कार मीन्स व्हाट? 12.460 kilometer. Then 640 meter. Here only meter is given. So we will write like this only. What we will do? See, here is asking what? All together. And I told you when in the word problem, if it is asking all together, sum or total. So it means Which operation we will do? Addition. Okay, it means what? Addition. What we will do in this question? We will add all the numbers, all the kilometers and meters. So now we will add these numbers. See, first we will write 42.365. Then what? 12.460. Then here only meter is given, so 640. Add it. Understood? जब आपको जो किलोमीटर है उसको किलोमीटर के नीचे लिखो और जो मीटर है उसको मीटर के नीचे लिखो. 5 + 0 0 5. 6 + 6 + 4 what? 16. Then 1 carry. 6 + 4 10. Then 14. 1 carry. Then after that point. See here, point is there. 2 + 2 + 1 5. 4 + 1 5. What? 55.465 kilometer. At the end, what we will do? He travelled 55.465 kilometer altogether. In the answer, what you will write? He travelled 55.465 kilometer altogether. Same question you have to do in this one. Aisha bought 1.80 meter of cloth for her salwar and 2.25 meter for her kurta. If the cloth cost 120 rupees per meter, how much must she pay the shopkeeper? Here is what? आयशा ने जो है वो इतना मीटर शलवार के लिए ख़रीदा और इतना मीटर जो है वो कुर्ते के लिए ख़रीदा. अगर क्लॉथ का कॉस्ट 120 रुपीज़ पर मीटर है तो आयशा ने जो है वो शॉपकीपर को कितना पैसे दिए? तो फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड आउट दी टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ दी क्लॉथ. हम लोग पहले क्या मालूम करेंगे कि उसने कितना क्लॉथ ख़रीदा. फिर उसके बाद हम 120 रुपीज़ पर मीटर से उसको क्या कर देंगे? मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. What is given? 1.80 meter for what? Salwar and 2.25 meter for kurta. Then cloth cost 120 rupees per meter. Cost is what? 120 rupees per meter. First we will find out the total what? Cloth. Total meter of cloth. 1.80, 2.25. Add this number. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 carry. 2 plus 1, then 3, and plus 4, 1, 4. It means 4.5 meter of cloth she purchased. Now, how will we find out the how much she had paid to the shopkeeper? So she bought total cloth what? 4.5 meter. Now we will find out how much she paid to the shopkeeper. So multiply this number by 120. When you multiply this, just ignore this decimal point, only multiply this number. So we will get, after multiplying this number, we will get 48600. Now point is there, so we have to add this point after 2 digits is there. So after 2 digits we should add point. Okay, then after point there is no value of 0. It means how much she pay? 486 rupees she paid the shopkeeper. Okay, 486 86 rupees. Sorry, you can write in this form also. Have you understood? Question number 6. Sujata bought a watermelon wing. I think these two questions you can do it by your own. So I hope you all have understood how to do these questions.